Hi, writers. We're on our final day of the project. This is your time to look and evaluate yourself and see how you feel that you did and give yourself a score. And then your teachers are going to look at it and compare with you with it. Um, this is very much like you did on your space brochures right before we headed out. Now, you're in your writing in your Google Classroom, and your rubric is in here. This is the one that you're going to be able to view. It'll look like this. This is the format that you are most used to, where you look at one category narrative and you circle if it's a 4, 3, 2, or 1. That's not too easy to do on the computer. So this same document I have put into a Google form for you. You'll actually do your marking on the Google form. All the information is exactly the same on your Google form. So in order to really compare and do a good job self-evaluating, I have to have both the document open and to have my Google form unusual creature self-evaluation open. Now, as I go through and fill it out, it says narrative, the story part. Am I going to give myself a level 1, 2, 3, or 4? So remember, when we look at a rubric and we look at our levels, we think story format, 1 paragraph per page. I'm going to look at that. If I'm going for a level 4, I have to have a story format and then more than 1 paragraph per page. So I'm looking for a story format and at least 1 paragraph to get a 3. If not, I better bring it down to a 2. So I'm going to go and I'm going to look at each page. Okay, now remember, yours is all completed already, and I'm using this as a model. So I have 1 paragraph here. I have 1 paragraph here. Here is a paragraph. Oops. Here's a paragraph. You know what? It's probably 2 paragraphs. I probably should have made that into a second paragraph. Another paragraph. Another paragraph. Another paragraph. And another paragraph. So mine is mostly 1 paragraph on each page. So that was the expectation. So I'm going to go and I'm going to click a level 3 in mine. Yours will click in. Mine looks different because I can't take my own Google form. Then I'm going to go and look for descriptive words, the part that plays the movie in your head. I'm going to look at, there's no descriptive language. I'm only telling facts. That's what that would be. 2, there's a few descriptive words. I added some adjectives like kink or flexible or something like that. The other one would be using adjectives within sentences and multiple sentences. And level 4, the words paint a picture in the reader's mind. I can really see what's happening. The movie's playing in my mind. So I'm going to go and I'm going to look at mine and I'll read through each page again. And I do know, as I look through each page, I added some of this stuff. I really do have a movie playing in my head, so I'm going to go click a level 4. Then I'm going to go on to my conventions. I'm going to go through each slide. I'm going to look, did I have a level 1, 2, 3, or 4? So I'm looking for, are my paragraphs indented, proper capitalization, all sentences have end punctuation, and commas where needed. So the level 4 on here is you're using commas within your sentences. You should be thinking about that if you want a level 4. Now would be your opportunity to go back and fix it. And then your last one is your presentation and how it looks. You'll go through it again and you'll look, am I a level 1? Is the end product needs illustrations in color? So I didn't put any color in it. Is it completed but little detail? Level 3 is end product draws the reader's eye to the book and wants them to admire it more. Or level 4, the end product draws the reader's eyes to the book and wants them to admire it more. And you've added some additional features that maybe your teachers haven't shared with you. So writers, evaluators, now's your opportunity to go and see how you did and share your thoughts with your teacher. And you'll be finishing off the last two, what your overall score is.